Hi. This is Keel's Garage. Hey there, gearheads. Ready to supercharge your Ford F-150? Today, I'm unveiling the world's top 5 best spark plugs tailored specifically for your beast. Get ready to rev up your engine and enhance performance like never before. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more updates. Let's dive in. Number 1. HiVehicle V7401 Platinum Spark Plugs. Engineered for peak performance, these spark plugs boast a platinum construction that ensures optimal conductivity and longevity. Designed to fit a wide range of vehicles, they deliver consistent ignition and enhanced fuel efficiency. The V7401's precision engineering guarantees reliable starts in all conditions, while reducing emissions for a cleaner environment. Upgrade your engine's ignition system with HiVehicle's platinum spark plugs and experience smoother acceleration and improved overall engine performance. Number 2. Ford New Motorcraft SP548 Spark Plug Set. Engineered for optimal performance, these spark plugs are a perfect fit for your Ford vehicle. With their durable construction and advanced technology, they ensure reliable ignition and improved fuel efficiency. The SP548 plugs boast enhanced durability and longevity, providing peace of mind mile after mile. Experience smoother acceleration and enhanced engine responsiveness with this high-quality spark plug set. Upgrade your ride with the Ford New Motorcraft SP548 Spark Plug Set today. Number 3. E&A Set of 8 Platinum Spark Plug compatible with a wide range of vehicles, ensuring optimal engine performance and longevity. Crafted with premium materials, these spark plugs offer enhanced durability and conductivity, maximizing fuel efficiency and power output. Engineered for easy installation, they provide a hassle-free replacement experience. Say goodbye to misfires and rough idling with these high-quality spark plugs. Upgrade your ride with E&A for smoother starts and improved acceleration. Boost your engine's performance with confidence. Try the E&A set of 8 Platinum Spark Plug compatible today. Number 4. Vplus Spark Plugs 8-pack replaces. Engineered for peak performance, these plugs deliver unrivaled ignition efficiency and power. Designed to replace worn-out plugs effortlessly, they ensure smooth starts and optimal engine operation. With a durable construction and advanced electrode technology, these spark plugs guarantee long-lasting reliability. Say goodbye to sluggish acceleration and hello to enhanced fuel efficiency and power delivery. Upgrade your ride with Vplus spark plugs and experience the difference on every drive. Number 5. BDFHYK Set of 8 Platinum Spark Plug compatible, designed to elevate your engine's performance to new heights. Crafted with precision, these spark plugs ensure optimal ignition, enhancing fuel efficiency and power output. Engineered to withstand extreme conditions, they offer long-lasting durability and reliability. The platinum construction guarantees superior conductivity, promoting smooth engine operation and reducing harmful emissions. Upgrade your ride with the BDFHYK Platinum Spark Plug Set for a smoother, more efficient driving experience. In conclusion, choosing the best spark plugs for your Ford F-150 is crucial for optimal performance and efficiency. Whether it's durability, performance, or fuel economy you're after, there's a plug out there for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share for more informative videos and updates.